In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify text in Bluebeam. Whether you're updating notes on a drawing or fixing a typo in a markup, editing text in Bluebeam Revu is quick and precise. Let's walk through it from start to finish so you can confidently make changes without disrupting your layout. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. If you already have the file open, great. If not, launch Revu and open the document you want to work on. What we're focusing on today is text that lives inside a text box or a callout. These are markup tools, which means they sit on top of the PDF rather than being part of the original content. That's helpful because it keeps your edits clean and reversible. Next, select the text box or callout that contains the text you want to change. You can do this by clicking directly on the markup. You'll see a selection boundary appear, which confirms you've grabbed the right item. If you're having trouble selecting it, zoom in a bit or use the markups list at the bottom to highlight the exact markup you need. Now click inside the text box to enable editing. Your cursor will appear within the text just like it does in a word processor. From here, make your changes, add new wording, delete what you don't need, or revise the phrasing. You can use standard editing shortcuts like Ctrl or Command+A to select all, and arrow keys to position the cursor precisely. Keep an eye on line breaks and spacing so the text remains readable. If you want to adjust the visual style, open the Properties panel. You can change the font, size, color, or alignment so your text matches your standards or stands out for emphasis. If you don't see the Properties panel, you can reveal it from the side panel or right-click the markup and choose Properties. Small tweaks like increasing the font size or switching to left alignment can make callouts easier to read on crowded drawings. You can also adjust the box size by dragging its handles if the text wraps awkwardly. When you're satisfied, click outside the box to apply the changes. That deselects the markup and commits your edits. If something doesn't look right, simply reselect the markup and edit again. A quick tip, if the text won't let you edit, it might be flattened or part of the PDF's original content instead of a markup. In that case, you'll need to unflatten or use different tools designed for content editing. And that's it. Simple, clear, and effective text modification in Bluebeam Revu.